is this, 3, 4?
4.6.
4.6 miles, about 1,000 feet of elevation gain.
On a full stomach.
On a full stomach, yeah, we just had lunch.
Have some added weight.
Yeah.
Throw up.
Bennett's gonna throw up at any point, but
straight up.
yeah, it's already a decent amount of incline, but beautiful views. Got a little river to cross here. Let's see. You think that's the best way? Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to fall off the cliff right there. Oh gosh. Wow, yeah, that's a pretty good amount. Yeah, so it rained a bunch yesterday, which is why we did not come down south yesterday. So it appears that a lot of stuff is just pretty muddy. But we got our poles. My shoes are already muddy, that's good. So we're just sinking in a little. Oh gosh. We think we're going up to this rock. Looks kind of far and like a lot of elevation. That is not far. That's a lot of elevation.
That is not far.
Well, it looks far to me. Okay, so we're going pretty far past the rock. And it's tough. We don't really know exactly where we're going, but
to the top.
To the top. We'll see. We'll see where we end up. We made it to the edge of a cliff. You can hear the wind down in that canyon. Wow. One wrong move. Just a few feet down. You fall right off. So Bennett just set up a rock for us to take a quick timer cam. So he like flipped over one of these rocks. There was a scorpion under it. And then now he's just going crazy flipping over all these rocks to see what else there is. And I'm like, you're gonna get scorpion, tarantula, who knows what's up there. That's crazy. We're at the petroglyphs and I'm not sure if you can see these on camera, but there's some carvings all along these walls. There's some up there too. I see like a goat and a scary man with a horn coming out of his head. I don't know what it means, but...
I don't know, it seems pretty cool.
Well, we just got to our camp spot for the night, and look at this view. So gorgeous. Red rock everywhere. Got a little fire pit already made, which is nice. Time to set the tent up. We save our dryer lint from home, and that's how Bennett tries to start a fire. It's a little windy right now though, so it's kind of tough to start, but oh, is that a little flame going? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's really classy. We made absolute baller moves and brought Chick-fil-A to camp. We're just eating it cold. I might try to heat it up on this grate that someone left, but it might catch on fire. I don't know. Okay, so Ben and I were super excited for s'mores. We've been looking forward to it all day. And then we realized we left the graham crackers at home. So, we're just gonna try to still put a roasted s'more on a piece of chocolate. I'm sure it'll be good, but not the same without the graham cracker. In the tent right now. It's pretty windy. We've been sleeping with this, you can't see it really, this little sound machine, which that's been pretty nice. There's a bunch of different sounds, so that's nice. And yeah, we just keep a headlamp in here, obviously the lights, we've got our phones in here, water, and just, let me get my flashlight, just some big sleeping bags and blankets. It's really cozy. It was really, really windy and rainy last night, and it took a couple hours to get to bed. But it's still cuddled up down here. You can't really see him. That was crazy though. It felt like the wind sounded like someone was just like punching our tent. It was so intense. It was pretty brutal to try to sleep through, but we definitely got a little sleep at least. It's still windy. And we are dreading going outside because it's like 35 degrees. Hi, pretty. Then I got a cinnamon roll at the Gifford house. They make pies too. And wait, how many did she say they sell?
38 dozen pies a day. They sold
38
72,000 in 2024.
That is crazy. So they must be good pies, but just a cinnamon roll for today. Looks pretty good. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. We're doing a little off-roading. It says the roads may be impassable to most vehicles, but so far it's not too bad. We're in Cathedral Valley, and we're trying to get to a couple different little landmarks, but we'll see if we make it. There's a chance that there's like a flooded area and we can't. So we'll see. Okay, so we were on those off-roading trails and it got a little scary.
Almost tore the bumper off.
Almost tore the bumper off. We saw like a graveyard of some car parts from other cars and we were like, couple bumpers. We don't need to do this to our car. So we turned around and then now we're doing like an 8.5 mile hike with like 2,400 feet of elevation gain.
Allegedly strenuous.
Allegedly hard and strenuous.
I'm not saying it.
I think it's already hard and strenuous. But really pretty so far. Check that out. We made it to Cassidy Arch. Not gonna get too close to the edge. That's beautiful though. You can't really see, but there are mountain goats right there. So cool. You guys are so cool. Yeah. Hi guys. There's more over there.
Yeah, is that one up there, and then there's one over there.
Yeah.
And that big one's still right there.
Yeah, his horns are so big. That's incredible. Are you guys a whole family? Alright, we are on the final descent to the car. We are at about 8.6 miles, 2,400 feet of elevation gain, and let's see, it took us, we're at 4 hours and 22 minutes, which is pretty good. The average time on all trails said 4 hours and 53 minutes, I think, and for us that includes we stopped for lunch and we talked to a couple people, so pretty good time. That was a tough one. I thought it was pretty hard. What did you think, Bennett? Yeah.
Definitely not easy.
Not easy, yeah. Our feet are definitely feeling it, but we saw such cool views, and the bighorn sheep, those were definitely a highlight. So yeah, definitely glad we did it. But we are tired and ready to have dinner and go to bed. Well, we're at our second night campsite. We're at the same area we were yesterday, but just a different spot. But yeah, still have a really nice big fire pit, and we surprisingly have service. So we've got Sunday night football, which some might say defeats the purpose of camping. And to that I say, you must not like football. I'm roasting a jalapeno chicken sausage, and Bennett's got his tinfoil meals back there. He's got, what do you have in there?
Same as last time, just sausage, potatoes.
Sausage, that's right. Potatoes, bell pepper.
Peppers.
Very nice. So yeah, about to get some dinner on the plate. I've got my sausage, some chips, and a kiwi. Alright, we slept way better last night. There was no wind and no rain, and we slept like 9 hours. It's still really cold, it's like 35 probably. So I still slept in wool socks. I have leggings underneath my sweatpants. I've got a tank top, t-shirt, pullover, and then this like cardigan thing. I didn't sleep in the beanie, but probably would have helped. But it was really cozy in the tent. But yeah, we're just packing up now. We're honestly pretty sore from yesterday's like 9-mile hike. So we're probably just gonna hit the road, but it's beautiful out here. Got a nice little sunrise. So pretty.